Have you ever had pest problems? I sure have. And something like this is very helpful for solving that problem. This is a 40-foot roll of 5-inch wide copper mesh. This roll is a dual layer copper mesh that you can easily cut up with scissors to fit any size you need, and the copper mesh itself is very malleable, so you can bend and mold it into pretty much any shape you need to fill in even the weirdest shaped gaps. So it's a good thing to have because it can adapt to whatever situation you need it to. If you need to tack it up with some staples as a screen, you can do that, or you can cut it up, bend it, or fold it into whatever shape you need to fill in gaps where pests might want to come through. And there are actually some pretty cool benefits for using copper in a situation like this that you might not think about. The main thing is that it is rust proof and erosion proof, so it stands up really well to weather over time. I've had it in a few places around my house. I have these weird gaps underneath my cabinets for some reason, so it can go there. Between my dishwasher and the cabinet has been a hot area before. Shove it in there, and I have this random hole outside. I take a big chunk, roll it up, fold it up, shove it in that hole, and it's secure. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to fill in some gaps that may help prevent pests from getting through, well, maybe you should check this out.